A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. From Dr. Shahnaz Eng. To all my viewers, I convey my regard. In our last lesson, learned the position of articulation point 6 and learned the different specific characteristics of ja. Now, as we are going ahead, we have to get the knowledge of different structures in our mouth because they will be used as reference to other articulation points in our coming lectures. Visibly, when we saw in our mouth, there are two jaws, the upper and lower jaw, and when we talk, when we speak, they move. And also when we see, Allah Ta'ala has given us a number of teeth on both of our jaws, upper and lower. These teeth are about 32 in numbers, 16 in our upper jaw and 16 in our lower jaw. If we see the structure, how the teeth are aligned in the jaws, we should know that there are 12 teeth and 20 our moles. 12 teeth includes 6 teeth in upper jaw and 6 teeth in our lower jaw. Likewise, 20 molars are aligned, 10 in upper jaw and 10 in lower jaw. Now we will get the knowledge of these teeth and molar teeth and their alignment in our mouth on jaws. First of all, when we see ourselves in a mirror or we see someone else's teeth, we can see prominently. Just in the center, there are 2 teeth in the upper jaw and 2 in the lower jaw. In central position, these teeth are called in Arabic Sanayia. Upper jaw Sanayia are called Sanayia Uliya, and lower one, the center teeth, are known as Sanayia Sufla. We learn the alignment of other teeth and molar teeth in accordance with our central position and then afterwards. Just to the sides of these 2 upper and 2 lower teeth, which are called Sanayia Uliya in upper and Sanayia Sufla in lower jaw, 4 teeth are attached, one on right and left side to the upper Sanayia and one on both sides Sanayia Sufla in the lower jaw. These teeth are called Rubayat. These are 4 teeth in our mouth. One on the sides of Sanayia Uliya in upper jaw and one on the sides of Sanayia Sufla in the lower jaw and known as Rubayat. On the sides of Rubayat, there are 4 teeth, 2 in upper jaw, 2 in lower jaw. On the both sides of Rubayat, there is one tooth, one on right side, one on left side. Likewise, in the lower jaw, one on right side, one on left side of Rubayat. These are total 4 teeth known as Anyab or quasar. These are the one with slight sharp shape. These are used for cutting. cutting of meat, when we eat meat of hen, cow, we use, or fish, we use these teeth for tearing, cutting purpose. Then these are the total 6 teeth in upper jaw and 6 teeth in lower jaw. Central one are the Sanayia, 2 in upper and 2 in lower jaw are the Rubayat, and then on the sides of Rubayat there are 4 teeth, 2 in upper jaw and 2 in lower jaw, known as the Anyab. Then as you see in this picture, after the Anyab, the molar teeth are started. These teeth are 20 in number, 10 in upper jaw, 10 in lower jaw. So 5 on each side of the upper and lower jaw after the Anyab. After Anyab, there is one molar teeth on both sides of Anyab, upper, on left side, on right side, in upper jaw and in lower jaw. These are known as Zawahak. Up to Zawahak, teeth are visible when we smile. Then after Zawahak, there are three molar teeth. They are on the sides of right and left side in upper and lower jaw, three teeth. Three molar teeth. And so these are total 12 in number. 3 on right side in upper jaw, 3 on left side in upper jaw. Likewise, 3 on right side lower jaw and 3 on left side of the lower jaw. These are known as Tawahin. And after Tawahin, there are 4 molar teeth, one on each side of the Tawahin, last Tawahin, on right, left, upper and lower jaws, are known as Nawajiz. And these 20 molar tooth having different names like Zawahak, then Tawahin, then Nawajiz are used for grinding the food items. These are the special characteristics of our teeth created by our Allah Ta'ala to benefit us. Because when we tear the food with our Anyab, then we grind the food particles in our mouth. It is better that we should grind a portion of the food which we take one time at least 32 times, which are the number of our teeth. So it becomes in a shape of semi-solid, which is easily absorbable in our stomach, further in intestines. So the nutrients which are required for our body can be absorbed easily from it. The knowledge of the names and alignment of these teeth are very important, because when we learn further articulation points after Mukharaj 6, we will lose the reference of these teeth. If you understand this lecture and you think that you will be inshallah benefited from it, please be my partner in spreading the knowledge of recitation of Quran Pak properly to others. So share it with your family members and friends and comment on it. Till next my lesson, please give permission to Dr. Shahnaz Naeem. Khuda Hafiz.